My name is Joan Nelson. I'm the coach of the varsity bowling team, and I've been coaching for 20 years. So this year our team motto is to make it your best. No matter how you start a game or how you start the season, you always have the opportunity to make it better and to make it your best. For this year and every year, our team goals are always to be competitive, try to win the county championships and the sectional championships, and try to get to the state championships. What sets us apart as a team is that we've been the Section 1 champions for the past 19 years. So this year we're going to be looking to set that record of 20 consecutive championships.
My name is Nicholas Thiel. I'm a senior and I'm on the boys varsity bowling team.
Hi, I'm Gianna Verano. I'm a senior and I'm on the girls varsity bowling team.
Hi, I'm Jake Strasberg. I'm a senior and I'm on the boys varsity bowling team.
I would say our team stays motivated throughout the season just because we went to states last year and we made it through sections and we just want to get back out there.
I would say I admire how much our coaches push us to do our best and how much they help us in getting better with our bowling mechanics.
A piece of advice I'd have for the team is to stay patient and just enjoy the season.
A piece of advice I have for the team is to stay positive and stay as a team.
Hi, my name is Don Laspina, the coach of North Rockland boys team. Been coaching over 15 years. A piece of advice I have for my team is just continue to do what you're doing, one step at a time, one frame at a time, and we will be fine.
I do enjoy working with the kids who have a lot of skills and are very competitive, but I also enjoy taking new bowlers and seeing where we can take them and seeing how they can progress and develop. And that's my favorite part about being a coach.